companies are hiring, guys. There are companies still hiring. Marvin's getting ready to get hired. Brother Damien just got a promotion, right? Companies are still hiring. And if you want to work for a company that pays their people pretty well, you should look into Roblox. Roblox, guys, Roblox. My daughter and my son are on this game daily, at least probably an hour a day, spending some time playing Roblox. And I'm gonna tell you like this, they pay their people pretty well. They pay their people pretty well. They pay up to $450,000 in base salary for top talent.
Damn!
Let me say that again. They pay their people up to $450,000 for top talent.
Damn!
But they're only going to pay people $450,000 or hundreds of thousands of dollars for people who are serious about their career. So get serious about your career.
Damn!
If you're serious about your career, you will end up being top talent.
Damn!
You'll end up being top talent, guys. When you're top talent, you can make a lot of money. When you're top talent, you can start entrepreneurship endeavors. When you're top talent, you're making a lot of money, you can invest in real estate. Get serious about your career. Let's get in this. The California headquarter firm pays senior tech talent up to $450,000 in base salary. Salary data shows. And we're going to just get down to the salary pieces of it, guys. Roblox is hiring for a range of roles: front-end engineers, back-end engineers, full-stack engineers. If you guys don't know what those are, I'll explain it. A front-end engineer typically works on the UX, the UI features. They work in HTML, CSS, SQL, and so forth. A back-end engineer works more on the different technology components to make sure the data can flow through to the front end. A full stack can do it all. A full stack can do it all. So if you think about it, I like to think about it this way. A front-end engineer typically would be a mechanic who can work on the interior, right? The back end is a candidate or a mechanic who can work on the engine to get that thing to really run. The full stack is somebody who can work on inside and the outside. They can do it all. And it takes some time in order for you to become a full stack engineer. But in addition, it also is keen on candidates with backgrounds in machine learning, our brother engineering cannabis, physics, and graphics. So a software engineer at Roblox can earn between $141,000 and $215,000.
Damn!
Guys, I was on a coaching call and the gentleman asked me, Antoine, how can I get to 200,000? I'm making 130, 150 right now. You can get into sales, you can get into management, or you can be a really good engineer. You can be a really good engineer. You get into management, you can make a lot of money, guys. You get into sales, you can make a lot of money, guys. It's going to be a lot of ups and downs, but you can make a lot of money. Insider analysts updated the data in 2022 shows that senior software engineers at Roblox can make $275,000.
Damn!
At the executive levels, a director of engineering can make $425,000.
Damn!
A vice president of social and apps earned $450,000.
Damn!
The money is out here, guys. And these companies are willing to pay you to do a damn good job. The question is, are you serious about your career? Are you serious about your career? Right? Are you serious about your career? There's companies that's hiring out here, and they're going to continue to hire, and you may be able to get a job. But then you have to ask yourself, are you serious about your career? Are you putting in the time to become better? Are you meeting the right people? Are you aligning with the folks who can help you get to higher positions and earn more money? Are you doing things to improve your skills so that when you want to explore an entrepreneurship endeavor, you have the capital, you have the time, you have the resources that you can tap into? If you want to invest in real estate, you have the capital, you have the time. You aren't going to get any of this stuff if you don't have and aren't serious about your career. Money just doesn't pop in the air into your bank account. You have to earn it. And most people earn it by having a career. So ask yourself, guys, are you serious about your career? This is going to be the title of the show today. Are you serious about your career? I want you guys to think about it. Because if you're not, you need some help. And we're here to help you. We're here to help you. All right, let's jump onto one more topic. Oh, we're probably going to do another one after this one too. We got a gentleman who was really serious about his career. He was really serious about his career, guys. He was so serious about his career that he burnt out. He burnt out. And I want for you all who are serious about your career to just understand that you have to have balance, guys. You have to have balance. That's why it's so important to surround yourself with people who you can talk to, because climbing this ladder can get lonely. It doesn't matter your race, ethnicity, and so forth. But specifically for individuals who watch this channel who are black, because I'm black, climbing a ladder can get lonely. And you need people in a community that you can talk to about some of the challenges you may be facing in your career, to eliminate yourself potentially from burning out, to get the coaching you need for when you're struggling with something, or you want to quit, or you want to give people the two fingers because they're on your nerves. You need a community. That's why we have the Black Heights community. Join the Patreon. When you're climbing this ladder and you're serious about your career, you need support. You need people that you can talk to, like Mr. Nix, Brother Jabron, Brother PBO, Brother Noah. You need people that you can talk to that understands what you're going through. Because a lot of the times what ends up happening is you're climbing this ladder, you're doing it by yourself. You notice that you may be the only black guy, Indian guy, whatever it is. You go and talk to your mom or your dad or somebody else in your family. They don't know what you're going through because they aren't taking the path that you've taken. I'll repeat that. They don't know what you're going through because they did not take the path that you are taking. Yeah, they may be able to relate to it, but they may not understand. So they may give you some terrible advice. That's why communities like Black Heights exist and our Patreon exists, so that you get access to people who understand where you are going. And when you come across some of these roadblocks and some of these challenges, and sometimes you want to say, F off, you got people that's like, hey, you know what? I deal with this as well. Not only do I deal with it, I understand that other people deal with it as well too. Sometimes you got to eat dog food in order for you to get to where you ultimately want to get to. And if you don't want to, that's your choice. You don't have to. That's your choice. But don't blame you not getting there on others. That's your responsibility. That is your responsibility. But let's just say this.